Okay, dear students, now I am going to explain sixth problem in exercise 6.3. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. అంటే ఒక అంక శ్రేణిలో 7 పదాల మొత్తము 49, 17 పదాల మొత్తము 289 అయితే మొదటి n పదాల మొత్తం కనుగొనుము అన్నాడు. ఓకే, so in an AP, so what is the sum of the n terms? What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula for sum of the first n terms. Okay, so sum of the first 7 terms అన్నాడు. So S7 is equal to, now substitute 7 in place of n ఉన్న place లో 7 ప్రతిక్షేపించాలి. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus n value is 7 minus 1 into d, that equal to 49. Okay, now please do the simplification. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 అంటే 6 కదా, 6d is equal to 49. Okay, and next again 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into, bring this 7 by 2 to this side, it will be 2 by 7 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 7 in this 49 7 times, so 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 2s are 14 అవుతుంది. So 2 table is possible, that's why divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, then you will get an equation like this. 2 table 3 times kada, 3d is equal to 7. This is equation 1. And in the same way, please find another. Next again write once again what is Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now what is given? 17 terms is 289 అన్నాడు. Okay, so 7 substitute 17 in place of n. 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. So again 2a plus 17 minus 1 16d is equal to 289, and suppose you bring this 17 by 2 to this side, it will be 2 by 17. Okay, 17 in this 289 17 times. So and again you divide by 2 on both sides, you will get a plus 8d is equal to 17. Divide by 2, then 2 will be cancelled. Okay, so this is the equation 2. Okay, now please solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Equations 1 and 2. So what is the equation 1? A plus 3d is equal to 7. This is the equation 1. And what is equation 2? A plus 8d is equal to 17. This is equation 2. And next do the subtraction. Okay, then symbols will be changed and the AA is cancelled. Plus or minus minus. The 8 minus 3 is 5. Biggest number is 8. So its sign is minus. And 17 minus 7 is 10. Biggest number is 17. Its sign is minus. So D is equal minus minus cancel. So it's 10 by 5. That equal to 2. D is equal to 2 anamata. 5 in this 10 2 times. To 10 lo 5 2 times పోతుంది కదా. So D is equal to 2 వచ్చింది. So substitute D value. Substitute D value in equation 1. In equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus 3D is equal to 7. So A plus 3D value is 2 is equal to 7. So A plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. A is equal to 7. Bring this plus 6 to this side. It will be minus 6. Therefore A is equal to 1. Okay. Now you know A value and D value. So we have to find the sum of first n terms. So first sum of first n terms find out cheyali. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to, okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So that equal to n by 2. Now you have to substitute a value and d value only. So 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2. Okay now. So that equal to n by 2 into 2 ones are 2, 2n, okay now, 2n minus 2. So this 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled. So you have only 2n, n by 2 into 2n. So 2 to cancel, at last you will get n square. Okay. So in this way we solve this problem. Okay. Thank you.